Hi guys and girls, this is Atif and you're watching my channel Moon Triple Three, where I'm posting the trading ideas in different assets and also educational stuff. And if you didn't subscribe to my channel so far, then do subscribe it for more profit potential trading ideas and educational videos. And do remember that the information I'm providing here in this video is for educational purpose only. This is not intended to be investment advice. So please seek a duly licensed professional for investment advice. This video is a follow-up of my long-term stellar lumens or XLM chart, which I posted on September 2019. And so far, that chart or pattern is in process. And first, let me to take you on the live chart to show you the current move of the XLM. And sorry, I'm just taking you to the XLM Kraken exchange chart. And this is the Kraken because this is the most oldest chart of the Kraken exchange. And I'm just taking you to the month chart. And this is the chart I've published on September 2019. And so far, I did not remove this drawing which I have formed for you. And here I'm just repeating only to recall what happened in the previous video, that uh, this was the bullish bad pattern on the month chart. Very, very big bullish bad pattern formed by the price action of XLM with US dollar pair. And after initial leg, the A to B leg was retraced between 0.382 to 0.50 Fibonacci, and I have just ignored this extra spike. And the B to C leg was retraced between 0.382 to 886 Fibonacci as required for the B to C leg of the bullish bad pattern. And the C to D leg was uh, required to retrace between 0.786 up to 0.886 Fibonacci. And we can see the price action has retraced between this level. And here we can see, now I'm just taking you to the day chart, then we can clearly see the situation, what's happened, what happened in previous few days. And here you can see that since November 2019 up to December 2019, the price action had a very strong bearish move, and it took down the price action up to 56% uh, down. From here up to here, we are almost 53% down. And the pressure of sell just took the price action at the bottom of this bullish bad patterns potential reversal zone. I'm just placing the pattern again. And you can see here on the month chart, the price action, so far the candlestick is not closed below the potential reversal zone, but the selling pressure has pushed the price action down, and the candlestick is giving a spike beyond this potential reversal zone support here. And uh, I was, the people were scared. Even I was looking that if the price action uh, may be closed below this potential reversal zone, so that will be our stop. So definitely, our stop loss will be triggered in that situation. But again, the price action has moved a very good Fibonacci sequence, and if we see on the 2-day chart, then within the potential reversal zone of this of that previous bad pattern, the price action has formed another bullish crab pattern. And this is the bullish crab pattern within the potential reversal zone of previous bad pattern. On the 2-day chart, it can be seen very clearly. And here you can see after initial X to A leg, the A to B leg is retraced between 0.382 up to 0.54 Fibonacci. And here we can see that the price action is retraced up to 0.54 Fibonacci. On the Coinbase chart, this pattern is uh, more clear. All right. And after A to B leg, the B to C leg is retraced between 0.382 to 886 Fibonacci. And the final leg is retraced almost up to 1.237 Fibonacci. All right, there is a little bit difference because uh, this leg should be retraced almost at least up to 1.27 Fibonacci. But here we can see that the price action is retraced 1.237 Fibonacci. So there the difference is 1.27 minus 1.237. So 0.033 Fibonacci retracement or sequence difference is a very minor difference. So we can ignore calls. If we see the MACD on the 2-week chart, and this is the MACD on 2-week chart. All right, here we can see the MACD was strong bearish, but now it is turned weak bearish. So it can be turned strong bullish or weak bullish very soon. Therefore, there are less chances that the price action will be entered uh, in the it will hit the 1.27 up to 1.618 Fibonacci level. So that will be difficult for the price action. Maybe I've seen that the pattern is completed on the Binance exchange. Let me just see it. No, this is more difference. I'm just taking it to the day chart. Yes, on Binance the difference more. Therefore, the Coinbase and on the Kraken the difference is less. And we can see that even on the day chart where the green candlestick is appeared. But the main thing is the moving average convergence divergence on the 2-week chart is turning bullish, and the pattern within the pattern, the harmonic pattern within the harmonic pattern is indicating that the price action is going to move up very soon. And if we see on the month chart again, on Kraken exchange, then there are more chances that the next candlestick will be closed sideways here or will be closed within this potential reversal zone. And here we can see that when the next candlestick will be started, then it will be shown that the area which is out of or beyond this potential reversal zone to the downside will be appeared or shown as a spike here, and the next candlestick will be closed within the potential reversal zone or the sideways, half inside the potential reversal zone and half outside the potential reversal zone. Um, and then we can have a bullish divergence. But this is a very, very long term bullish chart, bullish bad pattern chart. So this can take up to a few months more, or maybe a year. Nobody can say anything about it when this chart will be executed. But in my prediction, it can take from 6 months up to a year. So this trade had the potential to give up to 596% profit as per Fibonacci sequence of the bad pattern, because uh, the price action should move up the projection area of A to D leg. And this is the projection area from 0.382. This is 0.382 up to 0.786 Fibonacci. But if the price action will cross up this 0.786 Fibonacci level, and the price action will be closed above this 0.786 Fibonacci projection of A to D leg, then there are more chances that the price action will hit the final resistance at 41 cents, and if the resistance will be broken out, then the price action will go for to achieve a new high, like the previous high was 51 cents. So nobody can give any idea where the new high will be, because last time it took a very powerful bullish divergence. For example, it moved from uh, even less than a 1 cent from 0.01732 up to 51 cents. For example, if we calculate this ratio, then it was, sorry, I think there is a miscalculation. Let me to check it again. 0.51 cents minus 0.001732 divided on 0.001732. No, this is the correct calculation, and it took more than 29,000% bullish divergence. That was a really very powerful bullish divergence and made many people billionaire. But this time, up to here, it has the chances to give up to 596% profit. But once this resistance of 0.786 Fibonacci will be broken out, then there will be more chances that the price action will hit the final resistance, that is at 41 cents. And if the 41 cents resistance will be broken out, then the price action can move to make or achieve a new high. And I don't know whether this time it is going to give 29 or 30,000% profit like it gave previously um, in 2017 to 2018. Maybe it will give, but the realistic targets can be at this area or this resistance level. Thank you so much for your time, and I'll be back soon with more profit potential trading ideas and educational videos as well. And if you didn't subscribe to my channel so far, then do subscribe it, and do hit the like if you like the video. Take care. Goodbye.